Are you looking for the best folding tonneau covers? In this video, we will break down the top 4 folding tonneau covers on the market.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Xcover Hard Tonneau Cover. During those nasty rain showers and snowy days, you'll need to cover the cargo in the bed of your truck with a line of defense that's capable of repelling rain and keeping your belongings from getting soaked. If my experience with this cover so far is anything to go by, and given the overwhelmingly positive reviews I've seen online, it very well could be. The Xcover low-profile tonneau cover offers you an excellent way of dealing with the problems mentioned above. It combines ease of operation, all-weather protection, and tough as nails, resilient construction with hard-to-beat functionality. For one, the panel of this low-profile tonneau cover is designed to be UV and scratch-resistant, ensuring protection no matter how harsh the conditions get. Oh, and it turns out that the panels can hold up to 500 pounds. The sturdiness of this thing is beyond impressive. Being a one-piece model, it's phenomenal for those who are using a tonneau cover for the first time. Not only is it completely assembled, but it also requires no additional drilling during the installation. That's made possible with excellent quality clamps that keep the tonneau cover in check all the time. Even more so, the latch design allows for one-finger release for maximum convenience, and, to ensure safety, it locks automatically when you close it. At number 2. UnderCover Flex Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Granting your hands with full control to your hard folding truck bed cover is the best assurance that the UnderCover Flex can guarantee to you. Its lock covers are hard while its roll-up covers are soft enough for you to move. The reasonable accuracy of this under tonneau cover depends on the best and high-quality FRP materials, thus making it stronger, lighter, and watertight. The watertight feature has drain tubes and rubber seals that supports its bed rail mounting system. The cover keeps your cargo dry and safe in all seasons. The low-profile design UnderCover Flex Cover package comes with straps, plastic buckles, and lock rods so that the truck cover will remain snug in a 2/3 position. This 2/3 of your spaces helps in adjusting your under-the-rail tonneau cover, and fuel savings will also improve by 10% because of the preset aerodynamic design. The 3 riding positions, lying flat, folded up, closed, confirms security. The supine lying position lets you access a 90-degree angle for extra comfort, and the closed position covers your entire cargo. Besides, you can open the cover while driving confident of the built-in prop rods that secure the cover's position. It is easy to access the full truck bed, especially with the convenient slammed latches that enable the protection to open from the sides. Do the installation by yourself in just minutes without any drills. However, a clamp system may work well around the rail of your truck bed. It may be safe and secure, yet this UnderCover Flex is easy to remove without the help of such tools. Just open the tonneau cover and turn 2 knobs, then it will remove right away. Lastly, cleaning it is just a jiff even by yourself. At number 3. Extang Solid Fold 2.0. The audacious Extang Solid Fold is venturesome and has bold features that shout strength and much solidness. It offers a tri-fold cover, and despite the blazing hotness, its surface remains cool all the time. It is a weather and dent resistant because of the polypropylene core that consists of its EnduraShield panels and blade-style seals feature. Besides, Extang snap-on seals, hinge caps, and rubber corners made of hard polymer add strength to its perfection. The solidness of Extang 2.0 is never a problem since experts made its panels and frame rigid and robust enough. Coolness might be your thing, and complementing it with Extang oozing black matte finish and frames and hinges that are flushed with aluminum would be perfect. The OE bed caps will be an excellent pair to the cover's black matte finish, guaranteeing your satisfaction with aesthetics. Furthermore, a tight grip with the patented cap clamps is good news to truck owners. Extang's bed clamps are the strongest in the market nowadays. It ensures security because of the bed flange fixed to it and the clamps that require less exertion of force. Besides, you can have access to the clamps by pulling the tailgate lower than its position. On the other hand, the convenience offered by Extang 2.0 provides a 100% bed access, giving you full control over your cover and truck bed. At number 4. BAKFlip G2 Tonneau Cover. The BAKFlip G2 will be a description of the word amazing because of its versatility, features, and functions. The BAKFlip G2 folding tonneau cover is made of UV-resistant aluminum panels that consider as one of the best hard folding covers. Like any other truck covers, it has a 100% bed access that will not affect your brake light, and the level of security is as tight as the way that it is assembled. The latching panels make the installation easy and quick that you will finish it in minutes. The G2 truck cover is flexible enough that even if you are driving, you can leave the cover closed, open, or folded. Moreover, you can maximize the space by just lifting, flipping, or folding your cover. The prop rods are perfect because it allows the truck cover into its upright position, giving you better access and make the most of the space for your load too. With its structure and quality, the BAKFlip G2 hard folding tonneau cover can withstand any weather. Underneath the tonneau cover, you can find a patented latch system. You can give credits to the affixed cables to the way the cover of the truck folds. The G2 truck cover is an excellent confidant for your dusty, muddy or windy drives, which appears to be ultra-low profile in its sleek and straight design with its core panels spotted along the bed. Moreover, the BAKFlip G2 will complement other truck accessories, making it exquisite and astounding.